Garden benches are a must-have for any outdoor space. Not only do they provide a comfortable spot to sit and enjoy your garden, but they also add an element of design and functionality. Here are some garden bench ideas to inspire your next outdoor project. A wooden garden bench is a classic choice that will never go out of style. Opt for a rustic, weathered finish for a more natural look, or paint the bench a bright color to add a pop of personality. You can also add some cushions or throw pillows for extra comfort. For a more modern twist, consider a metal or concrete garden bench. These materials are durable and easy to maintain, and they offer a sleek and contemporary look that will complement any garden design. If you are looking for something a little more unique, consider repurposing old items into a garden bench. An old bicycle frame, a wooden pallet, or even an antique headboard can all be transformed into a one-of-a-kind garden bench that will add character and charm to your outdoor space. A garden bench with storage is a practical and functional addition to any garden. Opt for a bench with built-in storage under the seat to store gardening tools, cushions, or any other outdoor accessories that need to be kept within reach. Lastly, a garden bench swing is a whimsical and fun option that will add a playful touch to your garden. Hang the bench swing from a sturdy tree branch or frame and enjoy a relaxing swing in the sunshine. In conclusion, a garden bench is a versatile and practical addition to any outdoor space. These garden bench ideas offer inspiration for a variety of styles and budget, so you can find the perfect bench to suit your needs and design preferences. Whether you opt for a classic wooden bench or a unique repurposed creation, a garden bench will provide a comfortable and inviting spot to enjoy your garden for years to come.